Na twin be la fence, oh. If you want learn forex, make you know dollar. Money the market, make you cash out, oh. Risk management, we go show you how.
Oh, hello guys, we are back again, and this is Twin Pillars FX, your mentors, and today we are with your host Danny FX, and today I'm going to teach you guys how you can trade using Trendline, guys, using just trend lines. You see, trend lines actually work just the same way support and resistance works, guys, once you apply the simple rule. Because to me, I think trend line is one of the most simple and the most easiest strategy you can use to trade, and it actually works on all kind of trading instruments, guys. So today, actually, one of my mentees said that I should just do a breakdown on Gbpjpy. You know, I don't trade Gbpjpy, I trade the little pairs, which is BTC USD and XA USD. So quickly, I'll just need to add the currency pair on my trading view. You know, I use trading view to analyze, guys. Use trading view to analyze, why I use the MetaTrader 5 to execute this Gbpjpy. Let me just add and do a quick analysis on it. So here we are. First of all, whenever you want to trade using trend line, I think you need to start from the higher time frame. You start from the higher time frame to know your bias, the middle time frame to know your current bias, why that's the smaller time frame, which is the 30-minute and the 15-minute time frame for your entries. So first of all, looking at this pair right here, Gbpjpy, without analyzing, you already know that this market is completely bullish. You can see, because you're having a series of higher highs and higher lows. You see, something like this. You see, the market is going up, but you need to know that in any bullish market, there is a minor retracement, then an impulsive move again to the upside. So we just quickly need to put our support trend line and our resistance trend line, then you are done with your higher time frame. You see, boom. Now, how do you need to know that your trend line is valid? Once you have two touches, this is the first touch, this is the second touch. Once you have two touches on your trend line, you already know that the market is respecting that trend line. You see, this is the first touch and this is the second touch, guys. And see, we even have a third touch right here. Now, when market was here, it touched at this place, it went up, it came down here again, you expected it, came down here again. What should be in your mind? That the market will go up again, we respect this trend line again and go up. That is from the daily time frame. So you have to delete this and delete this. Now, you already know that the market is about to go up and the market is bullish. So whatever analysis you are doing in the smaller time frame, you need to know that the market is bullish, and whatever analysis you should be doing, what should be in your mind is to buy. Guys. So you will just continue to draw your trend, just keep on drawing your trend until you have, that is the smallest trend. That smallest trend will give you your entry, because you cannot have an entry on the higher time frame. Come on guys, look at this candle are massive, because you can't be putting your stop loss maybe 1,000 pip stop. So you need to break down the trend. You need to break it down to the smaller time frame. But again, on this same daily time frame, you can see price is respecting this resistance trend line right here. You see, price has been respecting this resistance. See, this is the first touch, this is the second touch. Once you have first touch, second touch, you already know that the trend line is valid. So this resistance trend line also is valid. You see, this is the first touch, this is the second touch. You see, this trend is valid from the daily time frame again. So what do you have to do here now is to wait, because both buyers and sellers are currently active in the market. You see, price has been respecting this support trend line here, and price is still respecting the resistance trend line here. So you will just have to wait, because sellers are on the uptrend line while buyers are on the support trend line. So you just have to wait, because as you can see, there's a battle going on here. There's a battle going on here. So it's just easy. You just need to wait and see. Whoever wins, then you follow that direction. Whoever wins at this point, you will follow the direction. And even as you can see, the market is giving us form of a triangle. Later on my next video, I'm going to show you some kind of patterns that if you see in the market, as you can see, this market is giving us this a triangle. You see, this is a triangle. So definitely the market will either go break up or break down, because as you can see, we have locked this chart down here now. We have locked it. It's been locked. So we just need to wait. That is why this strategy is very easy, because you just need to wait. Whoever wins, either the buyers or the seller, whoever wins, you just follow the buyers, guys. So we are done with the daily time frame. Now we have to go to the 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame, because we need to know what's also going on the smaller time frame. So as you can see, you have to draw your trend line again. You just need to look for 2 lows or 2 highs, 2 touches, guys. You can see this is the first touch and this is the second touch on the 4 hours time frame. You can see price is respecting this place and this place. You see, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and also the same 4 hours time frame. You can see price is still respecting this resistance trend line right here. You see, the same thing happening on the 1 hour time frame is still happening on the 4 hours time frame, and you still have your triangle. You see, very important, you still have your triangle, guys, on the 4 hours time frame. You see, you can look at it very well. It's a form of a triangle. See, form of a triangle. So wherever you see this triangle pattern, what should come to your head? You have to wait. You have to wait, because buyers and sellers are currently active in this market. You see, price is respecting this trend line, this resistance trend line. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and also this support trend line here. You can see this is the first touch, this is the second touch. That's even giving us a third touch. So you just need to wait. Why are you waiting? To see if the buyers will win or the sellers will win. But remember, On the higher time frame, the trend is bullish. So you think, though, you have to know that the bulls are actually more active than the sellers. That is, the buyers are actually more active than the sellers. So if the buyers should be like 80%, the sellers will be like 30% or 20%. So we are still, our main buyers is, we are still expecting this market to break above this zone, give us a retest, then you enter your buys, you skyrocket your buys. This is what will actually happen in the market, or these are buyers in the market. Or if the market should break below this resistance here, give us a retest, then we might sell to this trend line again. So this is what we are actually expecting price to do on Gbpjpy. Whenever you see the market break above this resistance, give us a retest right here, you enter your buys, giving us almost 7 RR on this trade, you see. So we won't, because this is the 4 hours time frame. If you want to enter on the 4 hours time frame, you see the candle is still much massive for us to enter. So we need to go down again to the lower time frame. Let us go to the 1 hour time frame and see what we have. You see, the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame, they are aligning accordingly. You see, we don't have any other trend line on the 1 hour time frame, because the 4 hours and the 1 hour are corresponding together. You see, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and we also have another touch here. You see, remember guys, I told you that a valid trend line must have at least a minimum of 2 touches. This is the first touch, this is the second touch. It still even gave us a third touch right here, you see. And remember, when I was breaking down the analysis for you guys, I started from the daily time frame, and what did I told you guys? I told you guys that the market is bullish, so we are expecting, but as at this point now, you should not enter your trade. This is when patience comes in the market. You need to be patient, and wait for price to break above this resistance trend line here. Impulsively, you wait for your retest, then you enter, you skyrocket your buys as easy as possible. You see, trend line is one, for me, trend line is one of the most easiest strategy you have to use in the financial market. It's very easy. It's not that complicated. You see, you just need to wait for this market to break in, because see, sellers and buyers are active. Sellers are active, buyers are active. You just need to wait. Whoever wins, you follow the buyers. So this is what we are waiting for. If you like, you can still go down to the 30-minute time frame. Let's go down to the 30-minute time frame. You see, even the 30-minute time frame is still telling us the same thing. You see, your trend line is still aligning with the higher time frame. But remember guys, your trend line mustn't be that perfect. You just need to know either the week to week or body to body. It mustn't be, there's no particular trend line. No, there's no particular trend line. But you just need to know, just like the same way support and resistance, they will call it zone. Later on, I'm going to teach you guys about support, how you can use support and resistance to, to add more confidence. Because as you can see, we are having a resistance right here. You see, because this is zone. You see how wide this rectangle 2 is. You see how wide it is. That is why it is called the zone. The same thing with trend line. Trend line also is, you can also call it zones. That is why it mustn't be that perfect. as you can see, as I added this resistance to my trend line, is giving us more confidence, because if price should break above this resistance, this horizontal resistance and this diagonal resistance, which my trend line resistance, give us a retest. You see, it's giving us more confidence. I'm going to teach you guys maybe on my next video. This is a nice place to buy Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy should buy at this place. We're going to swing it. Gbpjpy should buy here, guys. See, as easy as possible. As easy as possible. Even if price might also do this. Price might also come down like this. It will fake. It might do a little fake out before going up, because you know price will always seek for liquidity. You can see in my next video I will also teach you guys about trendline liquidity. You can see there is a liquidity right here. Let me just make it like this. You see, price can come down, do a little fake out, take out this liquidity, come back to this trend line, then buy. This is a very high probability setup. If you should see this, price will fake out as if you want to sell. It will fake out here as if you want to sell, sweep this liquidity at this low here, go up, give us a retest at this place, then buy. You see, so this is our analysis on Gbpjpy. We should buy from here, and always remember to use risk management, because no trading style is 100% sure. Always apply your risk management. So this is a little top-down analysis I have on Gbpjpy, based on that my mentee that asked me to analyze Gbpjpy. I think Gbpjpy should buy at 192.656. 192.656. I think Gbpjpy should buy here. So just have to subscribe to this channel. I'll be giving you guys more tips on trend lines, support and resistance, risk management, and whatever thing you need to know about trading, guys. We'll be updating you guys on this channel. Just like, subscribe, share to your friends. If you know you have a friend that want to know more about trading, you can share this channel to them. Stay tuned, guys. We still remain Twin Pillars FX, your mentors, signing out.
Yo bro, what do you have for us today?
Right, today as you can see, we are trading Gbpjpy. This is the 30 minutes time frame. We are having a buy signal from this place right here. As you can see, I just entered the trade right now. Can you see? We are still on the little loss, but let's see how it goes. But come over quickly. Look at how I caught this trade. As you can see, we had the first touch, second touch, third touch on my trend line. Upon the resistance, as you can see, the resistance has been broken, and my horizontal resistance has been broken also. So I think we should be skyrocketing buys from here. Guys. So stay tuned for the update. Twin Pillars FX, your mentors, signing out.
Twin Pillar FX.
Yo, bro, how is it going?
As you can see, it's going on. We are literally killing the market, guys. We are literally killing the market. Got this nice buy seller.
Twin pillar FX, so
Rocketing the buys, man.
if you want learn forex, make you know dollar.
See, we are making money.
Money day market, make you cash out, oh.
Few peeps to take.
Risk management, we go show you how. Yeah, see money for forex, oh. But if you